I went to Tehuti Cafe and I got this raw vegan salad. So come with me and I'll share the details. Alright, so I'm at Tehuti Cafe and I'm going to order and I'm going to give you the prices and all of that. Queen. Alright, so I want nut meat. How much is the nut meat? Well, let me tell you what I want and then you tell me what the price is.
So, is it that you're building your own salad?
Yeah, I build in my own salad. Oh yes, so basically you can build your own salad or you use the salad of the day.
Yes, which comes in three sizes: large, medium, and mini. For 2,500 for the large, 1,800 for the medium, and the mini is 1,200.
All right, so I want the nut meat, the quinoa, cabbage nori seaweed, curried coconut pasta, cashew cheese, sprout, avocado.
No avocado.
No avocado.
Yes, out of season.
All right, that's it then.
Okay, so we add it per entree, per topping, and dressing. Would you like any dressings?
No, no dressing.
No dressing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entrees and 1 topping. So let's add it up for you. So it's 1,700.
1,700. All right, cool. Let's do it. So this is blueberry cheesecake and they have the acai bowls as well. Yeah. And you see that they have card payments, so no excuses. I got my salad, everything is there. I see the sprouts, the nut meat, the quinoa, the curried coconut jelly meat. Yeah. I had mine to go, but you can also dine there as well. A nice raw vegan food spot. Everything done. Everything done. Clean, 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 clean sweep. Yeah, so if you're in Kingston and you're looking for a raw vegan option, then Tehuti Cafe is an option. I enjoy the food there. Today I customized my own salad, but you can also have the salad of the day. They sell juices, smoothies, pastries, all raw vegan. And the base for the juices is coconut water. So my honest review of my salad is that I love it. I love how it tastes. I love the mixtures of taste and flavors. So the cashew cheese, the sweetness of the cashew cheese, the saltiness of the seaweed in the cabbage nori seaweed, the fat in the nuts, just all the flavors mixed together. I just love the taste. So that's my Tehuti Cafe review, and this speaks for itself. It done everything. If you are on the raw vegan challenge and you're in Kingston, Tehuti Cafe is an option. But even if you're not on the raw vegan challenge, but sometimes you want to switch up the lunch a bit and opt for a healthier option, then you can check out Tehuti Cafe in Kingston, Barbican Center. Not every day you have to have chicken and fish and them things there for lunch. So until my next vegan restaurant or vegan food spot review, blessed love.